Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to sync iCloud Mail on Mac. So first up, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to iCloud. Now here, click on the See All button right to save to iCloud and here go to iCloud Mail. Now next, enable the toggle right to sync this Mac and it will start loading. So next, choose an iCloud email address and it will also give you a warning that you can't change the iCloud email address after creating it. So keep this thing in mind before creating one. And once you enter the username here, click on OK. And again, it will give you a warning that if you will create this iCloud mail, you can't change it after creating it. So if you are okay with it, click on create and it will check that the email address is already taken or not. If it is already taken, then you need to pick another iCloud email username. You can see a drop down menu here that will give you a suggestion, but if you prefer to enter it manually, then keep changing until you find the one that hasn't been created already, and then follow the on-screen instruction, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.